Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Yamin Madbar and today I will be presenting my full strong website project. This project is fully dynamic portfolio I built using Next.js. The main goal is to showcase my skills and work through a beautiful high performance website. The key technologies I use in this project for the front end Next.js 15, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS and shadcn UI. For the backend and database, Next.js API routes, Prisma and PostgreSQL. For authentication Next.js, in this video I will first talk to you through the public parts of website which are visible to any visitor. After that I will demonstrate and secure admin dashboard from where I can manage all the content on the site. This is home page. This is the home page of the website. It has a minimal design and is a static, which means a lots of extremely fast. At the top we have responsive navbar. Here is the responsive navbar. Of the responsive navbar, and at the button and footer are common across all public pages. Let's move on the about page. Okay, let's move on the about page. This was using HSS or static site generation. It's contain information about my skills, my work, my work experience. Since the information doesn't change very often, using HSS makes this page load instantly. Here is the load instantly. It's continue information instantly. Now let's look at the project phase. This page lists a various project I have worked on. Each project has a thumbnail, name, description and relevant links. This is built using ISR or Incremental static regeneration. This means the home page is statically built, but it also refetches data in the background at a set individual as a result. If I added a new project from the dashboard, it will appear to automatically without needing to reveal to the entire site. Similarly, the blog page also user ISR. Here you can list all the blog posts and I have written. Let's click on the blog page. This text use a dynamic route which generated a unique page for each post. Notice the homepage title, or description or metadata are generated. Here is the noticed. Here is the noticed. Notice the page title, description or metadata are generated dynamically based on the blog content. This is very important for SEO. This homepage also optimizes ISR generated static plans. Now I will show you the most important parts of this website. The admin dashboard. To access it, I first need to log in. First I will try to with in a incorrect password. Okay, wait, enter 22. As you can see, I get a login failed notification. The uh, login failed notification. This show you can from the edit error handling it's working correctly. Now I will log in the correct credential. Okay. After I log in, we are redirect to the dashboard. This is a protected private page. Notice the navbar has been changed. Here is the now logout button on the right side. We have sidebar to manage blog blog section. Here is the table listing all my blogs. First let's explore the blog section. Here is the table listing on my blog post. Now I will create a new blog post. Here is the fact data. I need to thumbnail link. Here is the thumbnail link. Here is the clean from content. There is the tip tab text editor, which I bonus requirement for the assignment. After I submitting the form, blog created successfully notification, and we are redirect back to dashboard. As you can see, new block has been added. Next I edit this block, bring up a similar form which a pre-filled with existing data. After okay, let's try to update. Okay, update. I click the updating button. We back to on the dashboard. Finally I delete this block. Clicking this part deleting button, open a modal to deletion confirmation. After I click continue, blog is deleted successfully and remove this list. Just like a blog. Project management. Just like a blog projects section, also full CRUD functionality from I can create, edit, delete as well. And the setting in page. Here is the setting page. The setting page in the sidebar previews an option to change the admin password. Finally I let's check the logout button. Finally I click the logout button. Finally I click the logout button, sends me immediately redirect back to the login page. That was a complete walkthrough of the full stack portfolio project. It features a modern, performant and SEO friendly public site, also with a fully functional and secure admin dashboard for content management. To build this project I use modern technologies like Next.js 15, Prisma, PostgreSQL, Next.js, Tailwind CSS and shadcn UI. Thank you for watching me. Allah Hafiz everyone. Assalamu alaikum.